Today we are gonna learn how to create a slicer in Excel. Um, select the data. To select the data, hit Control Shift and right arrow, down arrow, and to create a table, hit Control T, hit Enter, and go to Insert Slicer. Click on Region, hit OK, and then you go up here, column, type 4, like 4 here, hit Enter, and then you can adjust this little icon down here and just drag it here, and then you can filter by west, or if you want to do the west and south, you can click on the west and then hit control and then south. It shows up west and south data. Thank you for watching.